Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial, and in this video I'll guide you how to fix your new folder creation missing option. So when you right click on your desktop, mostly it's appear here the new folder creation create option, but if you don't get this option or it's missing, then easy way, there are a lot of ways to fix it, but I think they are lengthy and long procedures. The easiest way, guys, I just fixed recently. Now it's your turn. Simply you need to download the registry file. Link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, download it. After downloading, just double tap on it or right click on it and click on merge. Now you will get a option, open file security warning. The publisher could not be verified. Are you sure you want to run this software? So simply click on run. Now user account control will appear. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, registry editor. Now there's another warning message. Actually it's adding information can unintentionally change or delete value and cause components to stop working currently. So don't worry about it, just click on yes. And here we go. The key and value contained in C user blah blah blah. Just click on OK and your problem has been solved. Now still if it's not working, just right click on your desktop taskbar and open the task manager. You can also open taskbar using Alt Control plus Tel button. Now here you need to find the Explorer. Just scroll down and find the Explorer. Here is Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and click on restart. It will 100% solve your issue, and if still it's not solved, then restart your PC and your problem has been solved. You can just thanks me later, guys. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just comment below. I will try to solve your issues. Have a good day. Bye bye.